Let's go.
They should make that.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's possible though. We got stickers for sure, right?
Check.
Stickers.
Thank you. We saw on Facebook that Willard from All In Fishing and Victor from Victorious Fishing had their stickers on a post at Sunset Park. So we're gonna go put our sticker on it.
Where's that from?
Alright, so we're gonna get gas real quick and run into the gas station and get a drink, and then we're gonna head to the pond.
All right, ready?
Alright, when we go in, you better go cheap.
All right. I'll put a lid on. This paper?
Get the plastic one. What is this, paper?
You're old enough.
We need to film everything.
I'm gonna do it again.
These two. Alright, let's head to the pond.
What the heck is that? Piece of paper in our step. Some sort of, oh, it's probably from one of our stickers. Okay, let's do it. Put these on, it's a little sunny today. Right. I feel like every time we come to Sunset Park, there's always something crazy going on, some shenanigans. As we drove in, there were some people selling like squishmallows or whatever you call them. Like, what the heck? There's always something crazy going on.
All right, folks, we found it. They put them up pretty high up there. So we got All In Fishing and we got Victorious Fishing. So we're gonna go ahead and slap ours right underneath.
All right, guys, got our YouTube sticker here. Go go ahead and put this up there alongside theirs. Take a step onto this thing. Are we putting it below?
Yep, right there. Make sure it goes on there good. Nice.
Oh,
Zoom in. Heck yeah. All right, you switching up?
yeah, I think I'm gonna switch to bait.
All right.
Just because the lures aren't working right now.
It's a little windy today.
It's hard to cast into the water when there's wind blowing at us.
Yeah.
What? Someone could easily slip and fall on this concrete. There's like little pebbles.
Could be. Well, we're just sitting and waiting for the trout to bite. Apparently they stocked a couple of days ago. We have not seen them yet. I saw a bird eat one.
Apparently they stocked 3 trout 1,400 days ago.
I think you got that backwards, pal.
Oh, my bad.
All right, guys, how do you like this angle?
Pretty good angle.
Fishing. All right, guys, we're headed out. We decided to live stream, so if you watched that, cool. If not, it's up on the channel. But thank you so much. We're gonna head out of here and continue on with our day. Ethan's got something. Looks like.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, everybody look at the camera.
Who caught a fish?
Me.
I believe I did. Who didn't catch a fish? Ethan, how many did you catch? Yeah, buddy.
All right, everybody look at the